During Russia's military operation in Ukraine, Javelin anti-tank missile became symbol of Ukraine's resistance. Images of destroyed Russian tanks on social media have drawn attention to one particular weapon, and that is Javelin missile. Small weapon but with a big hit. Let's watch the full video and find out the mystery behind this success. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. The FGM-148 Javelin is an anti-tank missile system. It locks onto a target's thermal picture. The soldier peers through a command launch unit. He selects the different targets and attack type. When fired, the missile's launch motor thrusts it out of the tube. Then its primary motor turns on and sends the rocket flying. The gentler start reduces debris and smoke. This makes it harder for the enemy to see it where it was launched from. It makes use of what is known as a fire and forget system, which allows the soldier to take cover and load a new missile while the other one is striking to its target. The shoulder-mounted Javelin anti-tank missile system can be operated by a crew of 2 or even a single soldier. The command launch unit allows the operator to spot targets using standard visual magnification or 2 different thermal sensors. The Javelin operator can select either a line of sight direct launch against a tank's side or a top-down attack against the top of the vehicle. It is dependent on where the armor is typically thinner. Once the missile is fired, the computer guides it, so the operator can move to the cover before it hits the target. The Javelin missile's tandem warhead is a high-explosive anti-tank type. This round utilizes an explosive-shaped charge to create a stream of superplastic deformed metal formed from trumpet-shaped metallic lines. The result is a narrow high-velocity particle stream that can penetrate armor. The Javelin counters the advent of explosive reactive armor or ERA. Because the Javelin uses 2 shaped charge warheads in tandem. The system can be fired both day and night. Its effective firing range is 2.5 miles. Javelin can also be used against low-flying helicopters. As of 2022, more than 45,000 missiles have produced. Per unit of the latest model costs about $250,000 US. As of 2022, the Javelin had been used around 5,500 successful engagements. Dear viewers, do you think it is worth of money? Please comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. See you in the next one.